Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go to a watch museum which is in Chaux-de-Fonds, so I hope you enjoy it. We have arrived in the International Watchmaking Museum. Today there was an exhibition, that's why there are a lot of people there. There were books and watches and other stuff as well. These are the first things that you see when you enter the museum. Clepsydra is also known as the water clock. It is an ancient device which was used to measure time by the water flow. And this is an experiment. There are two glasses. The one on the left is a conical shape which is thought to reduce the pressure, and on the right there is a cylindrical shape. As you see, the one on the right leaks less water than the one on the left. This tree started growing in 1780 and it was cut in 2005. Here there are the dates, and when you click on them, a light will switch on the tree. It indicates in which year what happened. This is in fact a very educational thing. We clicked on the 24 images per second one, and you can see how interesting it looks. You can pause this part to read. Here you can see the electrical circuits and some different types of watches. These are one of the first multifunctional watches. The ones with a calculator on it will have buttons, as you can see. Swatch is a watchmaking company, and here there are the steps of how they construct a watch. And here are the alarms. These are the ones which I think look very adorable. This is a model of a mechanical factory. And some more watches. This is an all handmade mechanical structure which was made in 1874. This is one of the earliest alarms. Skeleton watches. I literally fell in love with them as soon as I saw them, especially this green one. Here are some watch pieces. These are the watches made by the Englishmen. This is a Japan-made clock. And this is a German-made cuckoo clock. Yeah, cuckoo! This clock was made in Neuchâtel. I loved the detailed wood carving here. And there I am! And here are some wall clocks. I love how they all have different designs and different carvings. This is an atomic clock. The design each watch has is just mind-blowing. Enamel powder was used to paint on metal. they are painted, they must be baked in an oven at a temperature of 800 degrees to verify the colors. I saw this frog and I had to put it here. This is a notebook with a clock in it. Rate the outfit in the comment section, because why not, right? Why not? There was this activity for children, and as a kid I did it. So in here, I mean it's a museum so I didn't talk much, but like I just want to say that there are a lot of watches and clocks, and they all have a history, and the history is written there, and it all starts from like before Christ. And it's just very interesting to see how people have been trying to find out time and how it works since like years ago, because I love details. So it really makes me interested to see how detailed these watches are and that they work. It's beautiful. I don't even know why it's here in the clock museum, but it's nice. There are a lot of clocks and watches that are there, but I cannot explain all of them to you guys, so I just filmed them and you can just enjoy how they look. I think that it's very adorable that they added the year 2050. And drew what they think that the watches were gonna look like in 2050. You stay in this place and it shows you what time it is. I filmed it was 1:15 and it is around 1:15 in my shadow. I do my little dance. I really like this museum, and I think that if you live in Switzerland, or even if you don't, I feel like one day you should just come here and see it. It's very beautiful and the details are just mind-blowing. It was very nice, and yeah. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time. Bye!